Hello, my name is Nuan Devapriya. I would like to share some of our molecular dynamics models which I developed with the help of my advisor, Professor Ron Miller. This is the first model I would like to share. So this is the model we use to study the spallation. The second model I am going to share is shown here, and the corresponding publication is this one. We used enhanced Monte Carlo package to create polymer models and LAMMPS to run MD simulations and OVITO for visualization. I have given all the relevant links below. This is the place where you can download all the LAMMPS input files, data files, and also some MATLAB script. So let me show you this one. You can download the model, that is the LAMMPS data file, to create this model from here. And then you can use this LAMMPS input file to simulate shockwave propagation in this sample, and then you can use this MATLAB file to generate position time plot of density or any other thermodynamics variable. So if you are using Compute Canada, this submission file called sub.sh can be used to submit jobs to Compute Canada platform. Let's quickly go through the content of this one. And here also you can get the data file to create this model from here, and you can use this input file to simulate the impact test of this sample, and there is a MATLAB file to plot the velocity and the position of the projectile. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your MD simulations.